creating supreme and using her platform right. Yan si Michelle D na nag-share ng kanyang quick action and lessons matapos makagat ng fur baby. At ngayong Pride Month, maglalabas pa siya ng bagong music video sa single na Reyna. Makichika kay Aubrey Carampel.
Halata ang sugat sa mukha ni Miss Universe Philippines 2023 at Sparkle Beauty Queen Michelle D nang makapanayam ng GMA Integrated News via Zoom. Aksidente niya itong nakuha last Tuesday habang nakikipaglaro sa kanyang fur babies. Kwento ni Queen MMD, katabi niyang matulog ang kanyang dogs at morning routine daw nilang maglambingan.
There was no aggression, so I knew it was a really big freak accident lang. Her mouth was open, my face is right here kasi magkatabi kami, so parang naganon lang. And that's why the abrasion is actually not super deep. It was really just skin level lang.
Agad daw niyang tinawagan ng kaibigan si Hayden Ko na pinayuhan siyang pumunta sa ER para magpabakuna ng anti-rabies at anti-tetanus. Shinare din ni Michelle sa IG ang nangyari kung saan nagpaalala pa siya sa publiko to act quick sa mga kaparehong insidente.
First thing is get your anti-tetanus and your rabies shots. Things like this, there are no cures. You don't want to take it the chance. I can't miss a beat. And I think my next shot is tomorrow.
Pagkagaling sa ER, saka dumiretso si MMD sa clinic ni Dr. Vicky Bello para ipacheck ang kanyang mga sugat.
Doon ako nakahinga. After the experts saw what happened, it should heal in the next 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks.
Sa kabila na nangyari, love pa rin daw niya ang kanyang baby girl na napakalambing daw sa kanya at ginawan pa niya ng Instagram account. Bukod sa unexpected plot twist, full of excitement ang June for MMD. Nag-post din siya ng ilang snaps sporting her short blonde hair with caption, "It's the time of the year," with pride flag and burning heart emoji. Noong 2023, nag-come out si Michelle as bisexual. And to celebrate Pride Month, maglalabas daw sila ng bagong music video ng single niyang Reyna.
It's very camp. It's a little different from the music video that came out, but still very close to my heart. And syempre, abangan din po natin yung second single ko that's coming out very soon. I can't wait for that also.
Nagpahayag din siya ng support to her fellow queen na si CJ Opiaza na opisyal ng kinoronahan as Miss Grand International 2024.
I know how hard she's fought to be where she is now. And honestly, if there's anyone that can maximize like this platform that she has for just a few months, I know she will. And I know she's accepting that as, something that God laid out for her. It's her destiny. Nobody can take that away from her.
Aubrey Carampel, updated sa showbiz happenings.